In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix java.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to check is the system type of our Windows 11. So we need to go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. And then you have to take note of your system type and then open a browser, any of the browser that you have on your Windows 11, and then simply search for the missing DLL. Just put download and hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down and simply click the download link or download button corresponding to your system type, and that will be downloading the DLL file. So simply wait for that. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon and then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, and then locate the System32 folder. Here it is, double click, right click, and then select paste, and click on continue. Now once done, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again and then search for Visual C++ or distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Then you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.